What's going on, guys? I'm Dave with AWE, and you're tuned in to the AWE Product Rundown. Today we're covering the AWE exhaust suite for the Toyota A90 Supra. First in line is the Touring Edition, the exhaust that resides at the intersection of sophistication and aggression. The Touring Edition is a dual 3-inch T304L stainless steel configuration that delivers the best of both worlds for drivers looking for daily drivability and maximum performance. We took a unique approach to the engineering and layout of the exhaust for the A90 by implementing a bespoke stamp merge upstream. This massive merge, coming right off the downpipe, renders a 65% increase in flow over the stock exhaust by equating to dual 3-inch tubing in the Supra's narrow cavity, while also being future-proof for downpipes of various sizes. Beyond the merge, you have dual 3-inch piping all the way to the rear to ensure optimal flow throughout the entire system. Unique to the Touring Edition, our patented drone canceling solution, 180 technology, brings up the rear in proper fashion by killing drone-prone frequencies and leaving a full-bodied, drone-free B58 soundtrack unlike anything else on the market. Take a listen. If you have a downpipe or will be equipping a downpipe, listen up. Our exhausts come with an inlet adapter for the stamp merge upstream to allow seamless connection to any downpipe that respects the factory size of 80 millimeters. If you're equipping a downpipe with an outlet larger than 80 millimeters, we made it easy for you to facilitate more flow. All you have to do is have a simple custom adapter made to bridge the gap between your downpipe and the inlet of the stamp merge. We future-proofed your exhaust for big power with no less than 3.5 inches of high flow fury. Though the Touring Edition is available as resonated or non-resonated, we recommend going resonated with aftermarket downpipes to help ease the edge introduced into the exhaust note with the downpipe in place. Here's how the Touring Edition sounds with an aftermarket downpipe. Up next, we have the Track Edition. Utilizing the exact precision engineering as its Touring Edition counterpart, the Track Edition is for drivers who want it rowdy in all aspects. Equipped with the same stamp merge up front, the Track Edition comes equipped with bullet resonators in the mid-pipes and replaces the 180 technology resonators in the rear with straight pipe sections. As a result, the Track Edition can get pretty rowdy within the cabin during acceleration, cruising speeds, and deceleration. If you're not concerned with drone and you're looking for the lightest and loudest of the lot, this is your configuration. Let's hear the Track Edition. Finally, the finishing touch. A while back, we threw up a poll on the old social media channels to gather your opinion on which tip size we should go with on the Supra, 4.5 or 5 inch. The general consensus was 5 inch. We agreed and never looked back. As always, you'll have the choice between chrome silver and diamond black finishes. Slash cut and double walling come standard. Alright guys, I hope this video helps you choose which configuration is the best for you and your Supra. Regardless if you choose touring or track, you can expect AWE's trademark perfect fitment, check engine light free operation, and a lifetime warranty. Any questions? Drop them in the comments. Like this video, subscribe or follow, and we'll see you next time.